Hello and welcome. This video is for creative writing on January 12th, if you are absent. It's a Tuesday. So first and foremost, when you open up the Google Classroom page, you're going to say this is for Tuesday's assignment. This is something that should be relatively filled out and is an example of what we're actually doing. So the assignment for the day is what is called sprawling spider maps. So sprawling spider maps are another way to think of how to map ideas. This will be the last thing that we're going to go over. If you recall, we did brainstorming, we did clustering, and now we're going to do spider mapping. And so it says, write either a topic that was discussed in class or one decided by you, make a spider map there below. Remember, unlike cluster mapping, spider maps take a big deal and explore parts of other greater concepts in detail. So if I open this up, I hit edit. Erase this and write your topic here. So let's say I have an example of, I'm going to have something big. Let's say school. Okay, so I'm gonna have school, and then I'm gonna start breaking down these different ideas. So school, so this could be lunch, this could be homework, this could be classes, and this could be schedule. So if I have here on lunch, I have to define what I mean by this lunch idea. What am I going to be focusing on? That's the difference between spider mapping and the difference between cluster mapping or cluster maps and brainstorming. So this takes a much more specific idea. We take something broad and we break it down much more specifically to look at details analysis of what it is. Again, there's going to be an example of this online that may help you out. But you put a topic, teen problems for something we talked about. Pregnancy, and so you want to talk about what are the problems with pregnancy specifically, such as you could talk about sex education as far as the different types of education that are taught to teenagers, or you could talk about as far as perhaps another idea of this could be something along the lines or sex education, and then maybe what like the media says as far as sex goes. And then, so if you have another idea, let's say teenage problems, bullying. So this is put detail for idea 2 in this box. Why is bullying so prevalent in schools? What can be done to stop bullying? It has to be related to this idea, and they have to have some sort of connection all the way throughout. That is the difference between cluster mapping, brainstorming, and spider mapping. Spider mapping has ideas that cluster out into more specific things. As I said, there will be an example of this on the Google Classroom page. And yeah, I know it says third block. If you're the first block, I know it says first block. If you're third block, I screwed up. I'm not perfect. Besides that, if you have any questions, please let me know, and have a wonderful, wonderful